What if I told you that the biggest opportunity of your life isn't in the next 5 or 10 years? It's right here. Right now. This is your time, Gen Z, Millennials, the young blood of America. And the world? It's waiting for you to show up. But the question is, will you? Every day, you're hit with distractions. TikTok trends. Reels. News. Algorithms. But behind all of that noise, there's a deeper search happening. You're typing in how to be successful, how to make money online, how to find purpose. How to escape the 9 to 5, how to improve mental health. You're not just scrolling for fun, you're searching for freedom, for confidence, for meaning. Let's get one thing straight: you are not lazy. You are not entitled. You're just overwhelmed by a world that moves at the speed of a scroll. But here's the truth. Your potential is greater than your current reality. The internet changed the game. You don't need a degree to start a business. You don't need permission to be a creator. You don't need to wait to become a leader. Want to start a side hustle? Do it. Sell digital products, freelance your skills, build a brand, invest smart. You have more tools at your fingertips than any generation in history. And if you're searching best online business ideas, how to build passive income habits of successful people, then let me tell you. Everything you want: financial freedom, personal growth, inner peace, starts with one word: discipline. Your mindset is your greatest weapon. Forget motivation, it comes and goes. Build self-discipline. That's how you win the long game. Get up early. Read books, learn to sit with discomfort. Make moves in silence. Protect your mental health like your life depends on it, because it does. Searches like, how to stop procrastinating. How to stay focused, morning routine for success. These aren't just searches. They're signs that you're ready to evolve. So here's what you need to hear. You don't need more followers. You need more focus. You don't need to be viral. You need to be valuable. And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. You were not born just to pay bills and die. You were born to lead, to create, to build. America was built on the backs of young visionaries. Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Oprah, Beyoncé, Mark Zuckerberg. They started young. They failed often. They chose progress over perfection. And they understood something powerful: if you want to change your life, you have to first change your mindset. So start building today. Build a business. Build character. Build your body. Build your confidence. Build your future. Don't wait for an opportunity. Create it. Don't wish for success. Work for it. Don't scroll through other people's lives. Level up your own. You are capable. You are powerful. And the only thing standing between where you are and where you want to be is the story you're telling yourself. So tell a better one. Because your time isn't coming. Your time is now. Let's get it that if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.